Hi, I'm Dan with Fiskars with your tool tech tip. Here today we're talking about the Paper Circle Cutter. This is a tool that allows you to cut perfect circles out of a piece of paper without damaging the center of that. This is done by having the tool have the blade on the end of an arm. That arm, by unlocking it, you can slide it in and out. There are measurement markings in centimeters and inches on the side, so you can set a specific number. When you get that correct radius, you tighten it down, and then you take your piece of paper and you're going to press this soft pad against the center point. That soft pad won't damage the paper itself. So by pressing down on it and sliding the blade around that paper, you're going to be completing that circle all the way around to make a perfect circle, again, without damaging that center. So this is a great tool for you to use to cut it out of copy paper, out of this heavier paper, or even textured paper will work. So keep in mind, when you need to cut out paper circles, the Fiskars Circle Paper Cutter.